Welcome to the part 2 of your chapter Love Your Elders. So, students, we have already discussed part 1. In that fact, we knew about how that old man took her kiss to the panchayat. Now, see what happened next. So, the panchayat was held the same evening under an old banyan tree. So Juman stood up and said, "The voice of the punch is the voice of God." So who said this line? So now Juman stood up and Juman said that the voice of the punch means the words of the punch, that will be the final decision. It means what are the decision will taken by the punch, that will be final. So let my aunt nominate. So it means that Juman gave a chance to choose the punch to his old aunt. The head punch, I will abide by the decision. So what is the meaning of abide? So abide by means accepted. Now Juman said, I will accept that punch nominated by. So nominated means choosed. So choosed by my aunt. So the punch knows neither friend nor enemy. I choose Algu Chaudhary as punch, the old lady announced. So finally, the old lady said that punch knows the punch is not a friend of anyone and that punch is not an enemy of anyone. So I am choosing or I am choosing the punch as who? Algo Chaudhary. So who was Algo Chaudhary? Algo Chaudhary was friend of Juman. Fine, replied Juman, hiding his joy over this unexpected piece of luck. So fine. So who said this? So this line said by Juman. Juman said fine and also replied Juman, hiding his joy over unexpected piece of luck. Juman hiding. So what is the meaning of hiding? Means hide. Okay, chupana. This is the past form of hide. So why Juman said is feeling very joyous? Because Juman and Algo Chaudhary, they were best friends, and Juman thought that my best friend will never take any decision against me, so that Juman felt very much happy and he felt his happiness within. Now come to the next. You are aware of my friendship with Juman, said Olgu. So now Olgu is saying, Aunt, you know, we are friend. Juman and Olgu, we are best friend. I know that, replied the aunt. Now the aunt replied to the Olgu, Olgu, my son, you don't worry. I know that Juman is your best friend, but I have a faith on you. Now the aunt is saying to Olgu that I have a faith on you. You cannot take any wrong decision, so that I only choose you. But I know that God lives in the heart of the punch, and his voice is the voice of God. And the old lady explained her case. So, after when Olgu said that Juman and me are best friends, after that the old aunt said that I know that God lives in heart of the punch. So the Olgu got emotional. Okay, so now you can say that aunt applied the emotional blackmailing action. Okay, so the aunt said that the voice of God, I know that God lives. Where God lives? The God lives in the heart of the punch. It means a punch never take or the punch cannot take any wrong decision because God lives there in their hut. So Juman said, Algu, you and I are old friends. Your aunt is as dear to me as you. So now Juman said Algu. Now Algu said to Juman. So now Algu said to Juman, you and I are old friends. Your aunt is as dear to me as you. So now the Algu said to Juman, Juman, your aunt is also my aunt. Okay. So now I am a punch. Now I am a punch. Now I am not a friend of anyone. Now I am not an enemy of anyone. You and your aunt are equal before me. Now Algo said that you and aunt, you both are equal. You are my best friend and she is also aunt, an old man. What have you to say in your defense? Okay. Now Algo said to Zuman, now what you want to do to protect yourself, to save yourself. So defense means protect or what? Save, you know. Now next. Juman said, Juman. Oh sorry, it has already done. Now come this. 3 years ago began Juman. So Juman started his case saying that 3 years ago my aunt transferred her property to me. Okay. So Juman said to Algu, Juman said to Punch that before 3 years my aunt transferred her property to me and I promised to support her as long as she lived. I have done all I could. There have been a couple of quarrels between my wife and her, but I cannot stop it. Now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance for me. This is not possible. So what happened, students? The Juman started his case by saying that 3 years ago that old aunt transferred his property in the name of what? Juman. And Juman had also promised to that old auntie, don't worry auntie, I will take care of you. But what happened? Before some days, my wife, they started and they are quarreling each other. Okay, so it's not my fault. I cannot stop this quarrel. So who is saying this line, students? This line is saying by Juman to Algu. Okay, but it is not my fault. Always my wife and my aunt, they were fighting. Okay, so now my aunt is saying that give me monthly allowance. How it is possible? So this is the sentence said by Juman. Now Juman was cross-examined by Olgu and others. Then Olgu announced. So Juman was cross-examined. Okay, but what happened next? So students, now here Juman was cross-examined by Olgu. Cross-examined means, so now Olgu tried to examine the Juman, that Juman is saying true or what? Lie. Juman is saying true or lie. So after examining all the case, students, some things and some part of this story has not mentioned here. So I am saying to it now. What happened when Juman said to the Olgo that it is not possible to give me monthly allowance to the aunt. Now after that, the aunt said to the Punch that no, Olgo, no Punch, no sir, you listen my voice. So what is happened? His wife and his wife his wife was not giving sufficient food to me daily basis. So my demand is, so I want to cook separately because I am not getting sufficient food and also I am not getting the special care not only by his wife but also by Juman. So now they all became careless to me. So that the aunt demand to Algo Chaudhary, the aunt demand to the Panch, so Panch take the correct decision and what will be the right decision, you just declare it. So finally examined all the things. Now the Algu Chaudhary declared, okay, in our opinion, Juman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance. So after taking all the decision, so Algu reached his final that Juman must pay monthly allowance to the old aunt, because if you are not taking the proper care of your aunt, then you must pay to the monthly allowance, or you can return her property. The property goes back to her. Now, last paragraph. So Juman now became Olgu's enemy and wanted his revenge. So listening his decision, Juman became angry, and also Juman became enemy of Olgu. Sorry, Juman became enemy of Olgu Chaudhary. Now the friendship broke off between the Olgu Chaudhary and Juman Sikh. But Olgu was happy with his decision. But why Olgu was happy with that decision? Because Olgu Chaudhary took the correct decision, okay, by giving respect to the elders. Because not only the Olgu Chaudhary, but also who were present in that meeting under that vanity, they also supposed to this decision. So the Panch Algu Chaudhary was very happy. A Panch has no friend. He only listened to his inner voice. He understood the old aunt's pain. So finally, Algu said, yes, maybe I became the enemy of Juman Sikh, but still I am happy because I took the correct decision, because I took the voice of God, because I can feel the pain of old aunt and I could feel it. So that what happened lastly Olgu was happy with his decision and Juman became enemy of Olgu Chaudhary. So this is the final and this is the end of this story. Hope students you understand all this part. If any doubt then contact me. I am always with you. Bye. Thank you.